Hi everybody, this video that you're about to see is of a sewer line project that we done. I was just doing the digging for the plumber, but the line was collapsed underneath the deck, from the house out to the tank, and so I had to reach back underneath that deck about 8 or 9 feet to get to the foundation of the house. And then when we got dug down to it, they had put thin wall pipe in years ago whenever they built this house or put this new system in, and it had collapsed down. It was 4-inch diameter pipe. It had collapsed down to about 2.5 on the inside, something like that, and was all broken up. There's about 3 different kinds of pipe in there, where they had the Schedule 40 coming out of the house, stubbed out of the house. Instead of them putting the correct adapter on there to hook the thin wall to, they just shoved it inside of a coupler, a Schedule 40 coupler, and it wasn't even glued or nothing. So anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like what you see on this channel, why, hit that like button and subscribe button, and thanks for watching. Okay everybody, we've dug underneath this deck here, found the sewer line, found the issue. It's got they put thin wall pipe in, it's got a break in it right there, so that's the problem. Then we got black coil for perimeter drain, which in my opinion is not very good, so we'll get this cut in two and rerouted. That'll be it. Okay, here's what we got, everybody. We got a new septic tank right there, and then they've just hooked in. Obviously there was an old metal tank here at one point, and they've done away with it and put the new one in. And then they just hooked onto the existing line and plumbed it right through it over to the new tank. This is what we took out up by the house. As you can see, it's all thin wall pipe and squashed flat and broken up. It's a mess. So, and it wasn't even glued. This is where it come out of the Schedule 40 under the house, and it wasn't even glued. It was just shoved in a coupler. So, always entertaining doing dirt work and sewer lines. You never know what somebody else has done. All right, guys, got the pipe in. Okay guys, we got this job finished up. Everything's all backfilled and put back. Considering how wet it is, it turned out all right, I think. Got the dirt shoved back underneath the deck, and it's another job in the books. So we'll see you next time.